Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a YouTube thumbnail on Canva. So first, on the home page, click on the search bar at the top and then you can write YouTube thumbnail. And over here you will find this template over here. So we can click on it. Over here you have a bunch of different templates that you can use. Some of them are for Canva Pro users, however some are free, like this one over here, and many more. So for instance, we can choose this one. And if you want to use it, you can click customize this template, but below that you also have a bunch of similar thumbnails that you can also choose from. So for instance, instead of this one, we can even choose this over here. And then we can click customize this template to adjust it to our needs. And over here, as you can see, you immediately have everything. And you can, for instance, click on this main text and of course change it. You can rename the text, the subtext below that, of course. You can even change the background. And over here in the corners, in my case, I have these images over here. And of course, if I want to, I can make them bigger, I can make it smaller. This is pretty much a great starting point for you. So you can use a template. And if you want to use a different design, then over here on the left side, you have designs. And here you can also see different results. So if you actually change your mind and you decide that you want to use something different, then you can still change it over here. And for instance, we can change to this one. If you decide to use a different one, you will see this message, whether you want to create or use the template as a new page, but also you can replace current page if you don't want to create a new design. So let's click that. And as you can see, I can quickly change to something different. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.